Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Google Workspace, complete guide step by step clearly. To maximize your savings with Google Workspace, begin by evaluating your business needs. Identify the number of users in your team. Consider the specific applications each team member will use. Next, explore the different Google Workspace plans available. Select a plan that fits your budget and functionality requirements. If you're a non-profit organization, check if you qualify for the Google for Nonprofits program. This program offers Google Workspace at reduced rates or even for free. Consider annual billing instead of monthly subscriptions. Annual plans often provide significant savings over time. Take advantage of any available discounts for educational institutions. If you have a larger team, inquire about custom pricing options. After selecting a plan, review the collaboration tools included. Utilize shared drives to streamline file sharing among your team. Leverage Google Docs and Sheets for real-time collaboration. Plan training sessions to help your team use these tools effectively. Encourage everyone to use Google Calendar for scheduling meetings. Utilize Gmail's integrated chat function to enhance communication. Regularly review your usage of storage and services. Stay within your storage limits to avoid additional charges. Consider archiving unused files to free up space. Evaluate your plan's features periodically to ensure it still meets your needs. Look out for promotional offers or updates from Google Workspace. By following these steps, you can effectively save money while maximizing the benefits of Google Workspace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.